Unlocking the power of transformation. It's Morphin time. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's not only fun but also packed with cultural significance. It's Morphin time. This catchy line hails from the world of superheroes and has made its way into popular culture. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your English conversations. It's Morphin time is a phrase that originated from the American television series Power Rangers, which first aired in the 1990s. The series features a group of young heroes who transform, or morph, into their superhero counterparts to fight evil forces. Before their transformation, they announce, "It's Morphin time," as a signal of their readiness to change and face challenges. The phrase can be broken down into two parts, morphin and time. Morphin is a shortened, informal version of morphing, which means to transform or change shape. Time here signifies the moment or instance for action. Together, "It's Morphin time" implies that it's the right moment to transform and gear up for action. Over the years, "It's Morphin time" has transcended its original context and become a part of popular culture, symbolizing a readiness to change or take on a challenge. It's used humorously or motivationally among friends, in workplaces, or during competitions to inspire action or indicate a shift towards a more serious, focused attitude. While it's a phrase rooted in entertainment, "It's Morphin time" can be used in everyday English in various scenarios. As a motivational call, when you and your friends are about to start a challenging task. To signal a change. When shifting from a casual setting to a more formal one, like starting a meeting after a casual chat. For fun, to lighten the mood or bring excitement to mundane tasks. "It's Morphin time" is more than just a catchphrase from a TV show. It's a versatile expression that has found its way into everyday language, symbolizing transformation, readiness, and the courage to face challenges. We hope this video has not only entertained you but also enriched your understanding of English expressions and their cultural significance. Until next time, keep learning and maybe find your own Morphin time to transform your language skills.